In this class we will start using FloxPress. We will have an overview of the wizard in the Property Manager, and we will know the ways of navigation, which are very important for carrying out the analysis. We will use this pipe, which we already prepared in the previous class. Come on, let's go. FloxPress is activated in the Tools menu under Express Products. When accessing for the first time after installing the program, you will be required a code that you generate using the link that will be presented. In other accesses, the wizard is open directly in the Property Manager and will guide us through each step of the analysis. Initially we have the welcome message, which provides the overview of the features of FloxPress and informs that the flow can be analyzed only for an internal cavity, with a single input and a single fluid outlet, and that we must close all openings. In our case, we have only two openings in the model, one input and one outlet, and we already have the created caps. If we hadn't created the lids yet, we should cancel FloxPress, create the lids and activate it again. Navigation in the wizard is done through these arrows, which allow you to proceed to the next step and return to the previous step. If we click this icon at any step of the wizard, the analysis is closed, but the data is saved along with the template. Thus, when we restart FloxPress on this model, we will still have the settings done. If we press Escape or click on this icon, FloxPress will close and we will lose the entered data. When the analysis is complete, the results are automatically saved with the template. This way, when we open the template again and start FloxPress, we will be automatically directed to the display screen of the results. We finished this class, where we started FloxPress and had an overview of the wizard and the ways of navigation, which will make our work easier.